Hey y'all, welcome to God Time. Crazy thing about today, the wind was like 19 miles per hour. The wind gusts going out was okay, but coming back, running upriver was insane. But I got through it. Enjoy the video.
They want it, but don't even know all the problems that come with this life. They keep on asking why I ain't get to the next level, but that shit don't come overnight. That shit don't come overnight. Blood, sweat, tears, night after night. That shit don't come overnight. Blood, sweat, tears, night after night. That shit don't come overnight.